Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious moist banana bread. If this is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, so before we start, we'll go ahead and add in all the wet ingredients. So here I'll be adding melted butter, and I'm using 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'll be adding egg, 2 fresh egg at room temperature. Then I'll be adding milk. So I'm using half cup of milk. So once everything has been mixed up together, we'll go ahead and add the dry ingredient. So I'm adding half a cup of sugar. So I'm using light brown sugar. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and the last half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt or lesser salt if you want, depending on your taste. I'll go ahead and mix everything up. So once it's done mixing, I'll go ahead and add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'll add this gradually and I will mix them in. So once everything has been mixed together, we turn it off. So guys, I'll be using 5 medium size overripe banana. So this is the kind of banana you need. Banana that has all these dark spots. So you really need a very ripe banana for this banana bread to really have a very great taste. So I'll peel them off and I'll mash everything together, and then I'll put them into the batter. So I'll go ahead and mash everything up. You don't want to over mash it. You don't want it to be too smooth. So you want the banana to have some kind of rough lumps in it. So I'll go ahead and add that into the batter that we already made. So once I have all the banana added in, I'll go ahead and mix them together properly. So, but you don't want to over mix it. So we'll mix for about a minute. So the next, I'm adding some flavor, and I'm using vanilla extract. You can use any flavor of your choice. I'm also adding some nuts. This is optional, completely optional. You don't need to add any nuts in your banana bread. Yeah, you can add if you want to. Like I said, it's optional. So I'll go ahead and mix everything up together, and after that, it's time to start baking. And I already have my oven preheated for a little while now, and it's ready to go. So in a pan, I will go ahead and spray in some non-sticky cooking spray. Yeah, so that the banana bread doesn't get stuck in there. I'll go ahead and also use some paper towel to wipe down the excess spray, because I don't like the spray to be too much in my banana bread. So I just want the pan to be a little bit greasy. So now go ahead and add in my butter, and it's ready to go into the oven. And I'm baking this on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I will bake for an hour, or until toothpick can go inside and come out clean without any stain. Here we are after baking for like 1 hour 10 minutes. So it's about 70 minutes in the oven. So I'll go ahead and take that out of the pan, place them in the rack, and let it sit there for an extra 30 minutes or so, or until it's completely cooled down. So So you do not want to leave your banana bread inside a hot pan because it's gonna make the bottom to get really soaked and saggy. So that's why you need to place your banana bread right on a rack where it can have air going beneath the bread. So look at that, so brown and chocolate, looks so delicious. So after 30 minutes, I sliced it up and it looks so delicious, looks so amazing. So that's it for this recipe for today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notification bell as well so you'll be notified whenever I upload any recipe on this channel. So guys, you can have this with your breakfast, hot chocolate, or just have it as a snack. So here I have a piece and I'm putting some whipped cream over that. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys on my next recipe. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.